everyone and welcome back to UzX News on UzReport TV channel. Today in our edition can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as the exchange market of mineral fertilizers. In the beginning of our program, we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of UzX market and definitely the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of UzX exchange over the past week. Now let's dwell on to the latest exchange news. In accordance with the decision of the President of Uzbekistan PP 262 of May 28, 2022, from July the 1st of the current year, the grain products sale through open exchange trades of the Uzbek Commodity Exchange has started. All the necessary conditions have been created at the exchange platform. In particular, when performing grain on the exchange auction, farmers apply directly to the trading platforms of the exchange operating in each region throughout the country. More than 360 trading platforms and over 4,000 traders of the exchange are involved. When selling grain products, farmers are exempted from paying exchange commission fees and making collateral payments. According to trade results, in July of this year, stability is observed on the exchange grain market. Over 180,000 tons of grain were sold through open exchange auctions. As a result of the traded price of grain averaged 3,561,000 sums per ton, which is 4% higher than its initial cost. Open trading of grains continues on the basis of market principles. We move to a separate segment of the exchange platform. We'll consider the mineral fertilizers market for January-July 2022. During the period under review, about 2 million tons of mineral fertilizers were sold through UzX platform, which is 3% more than in January-July 2021. The average monthly sales for the period under review was 260,000 tons. At the same time, there is a stable exposition of this output at the exchange market. The maximum sales volume falls on the months of March, 350,000 tons at the UzX exchange trade platform. The largest volume of the sales structure of mineral fertilizers falls on ammonium nitrate. As we can see on the screen, the best top leadership position here is taken with ammonium nitrate, which goes with 59% in the segment of fertilizers. The second position here is taken by carbamide, which goes with 21%, and definitely the third top leadership position here is taken by ammophos, which goes with 8%. But it's worth to mention definitely definitely about ammonium sulfate, which has increased its position at the UzReport exchange trade platform and for the moment goes with 6% respectively. So let's go and look more properly the next diagram, which is going to be the price dynamics of ammonium nitrate. And definitely it's worth to mention that the price dynamics from January to July 2022 were at the level of 2.3 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen. And definitely the highest price was recorded in the months of February and May, though in the months of February it was 2.5 million sums per ton, and in the months of May it was 2.6 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen. In the months of July, the quotations amounted to about 2 million sums per ton, which is 23% lower than its maximum value. There is also a decrease in prices at the exchange market of carbamide. In the months of February, the highest price for the period under review was observed and prices rose to 4.2 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen. Again, in the months of July, the prices for carbamide decreased to 2.5 million sums per ton, or by 41%, as we can see on the screen. Definitely this kind of situation for both of the commodity groups happened due to the active position of the factory producers and their systematical performing exactly different kind of mineral fertilizers in this segment in the platform of UzReport market, which definitely made the price formation in a quite positive way and quite stable at the same time, which is definitely quite positive news for the consumers of traders working in this segment. Let's go and look more properly the regional consumption in terms of purchases volume of mineral fertilizers by regions. The largest transactions were concluded in the Fergana region, as we can see on the screen, which goes with almost 17% on consuming mineral fertilizers, as well as in the city of Tashkent and the Tashkent region, the total share of which goes with almost 14% on consuming mineral fertilizers at the UzReport exchange trade platform. Also, Khorazm region with a share of almost 9%, as we can see on the screen, on consuming mineral fertilizers, and definitely the last top leadership region on consuming mineral fertilizers, it is Bukhara region, which goes with 8%, and it's definitely in the list of leaders. The share of other regions is in between 3 to 7%. These were all commands for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on UzReport TV channel, and definitely with the website at www.uzreports.uz. See you next week. Bye.